my matcha. I actually made some matcha today. Seriously, don't mind my hair. I am trying to not put heat in it for once, and the only hairstyle that I could think of was a bun, so that's what I have in my hair currently. I'm just really trying hard not to put heat in my hair. I'm trying to let it grow a little bit more. So today I am in the parking lot picking up my Ulta order that I placed. I'm super excited for this vitamin C serum. Always in the market for vitamin C. I tried the Dr. Dennis Gross vitamin C serum. It smells like it's not like fruity and it's not florally. It doesn't smell great, but I keep applying it to my face. That's why I feel like I enjoy things that smell, because it's more relaxing to put on. So I'm in the market for another one. I'm gonna use the Dr. Dennis Gross one up because it's expensive. But we'll see how this serum goes. I'm actually going to probably test it as soon as I grab it and see if it smells good, because that's super important to me. And then I want to go to Home Goods. It's right next door. I haven't been to this location yet, so I'm super excited to see if they have anything good. To pick up my Zara order. I saw this jacket and I thought it was super cute, so I wanted to pick it up.